Yeah. If a ray of light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. A color ray को देखो. The ray is going theta 1, angle of incidence theta 1, angle of refraction theta 2. Away from the normal, it means what? Theta 1 is less than theta 2. એટલે ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ସେ ରେ କୁ increase କରିଲେ ସେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ reflect ହବ. એટલે ଗୋଟେ point ଆସିଯିବ ନା କାରଣ ये 90 रे पहुंच नथिबो इंसिडेंट रे आईआर टा 90 रे पहुंच नथिबो किन जेतु एटा अधिक होची डेफिनेटली गोटे पॉइंट आसीबो जोटे इंसिडेंट एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस 90 हे नथिबो किंतु रिफ्रैक्टेड रे टा अलोंग द सरफेस जिवो त माने ए जो एंगल टा केते हिजो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन टा केते हिजो 90 डिग्री ओके ना बुझ पड़छ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
बेले and when light goes from denser medium to rarer medium it bends away from the normal for a particular angle of incidence for a particular angle of incidence angle of refraction is 90 degree angle of refraction is 90 degree that angle is known as critical angle students like when light ray goes from when a light ray goes from denser to rarer it bends away from the normal it bends away from the normal then pile सबले एटी angle of incidence टा less than angle of refraction जेतबे light रे denser to rarer को जाए pile for a particular angle of incidence for a particular angle of incidence for a particular angle of incidence the angle of refraction is 90 degree angle of refraction is 90 degree for a particular angle of incidence the angle of refraction is 90 degree but that angle of incidence is known as critical angle that angle of incidence is known as critical angle मानकर पहले इटा हला mu tensor हला mu rarer then please sin I by sin r from Snell's law mu r by mu tensor mu r by mu d mu r by mu d mu rarer by mu tensor और प्लेट एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन कितने गला 90 डिग्री और एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट को कौन कहउछ क्रिटिकल एंगल sin theta c is equal to mu r by mu d ओके ना तर प्लीज जदी mu air टा air हैला air रो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स केते 1 air is equal to 1 mu denser रो माने कर एनी मीडियम तारम रछि mu ओके ना तर प्लीज sin theta c टा केते हे जिवो 1 by mu तर गोटे जदी air को जाउची तर theta c is equal to केते हे जिवो sin inverse of 1 by mu sin inverse of 1 by mu that is known as what critical angle hence critical angle is equal to sin inverse of 1 by mu that is known as critical angle that angle of incidence for which angle of refraction is equal to 90 degree that angle of incidence is known as critical angle
ଆଜ୍ଞା
green pai angle of incidence eta IR refracted ray जोटी कि theta 1 टा छोटो theta 2 It going out from the normal because denser to rare. So for a particular value of angle of incidence, angle of reflection is equal to 90 degree. That angle is critical angle. Beyond critical angle, जो ray गुड़ा सब incident करेगी, whatever the rays that I'm going to incidence beyond critical angle, they will come back to the same medium. Come back to the same medium means no refraction, only reflection. So if I will take so many rays, then all the rays will come back to that medium. That is known as what? Total internal reflection. Let's see, students. In a mirror, just see. The co-medium will be denser, correct? The co-medium will be rarer. Critical angle कौन? Say angle of incidence. Critical angle for which angle of reflection is equal to 90 degree. Along the surface. Beyond critical angle, just beyond critical angle. If I am incidenting a ray which is greater than critical angle, understood? This is incident ray. This is any angle which is greater than just greater than critical angle. So what will happen? It will come back to the same medium. Yes or no? Here the
Yes,
angle
sir.
of incidence is equal to angle of reflection because reflection is going on here. Yes or no? Friends, if I will increase the angle further, was the case. If after that I increase the angle further, then what will happen? It will be like this. Yes or no? I and I. Understood? That means let critical angle was here. I am drawing the ray for critical angle. Let I am drawing the ray for critical angle. It was the angle for critical angle. It was like this. Suddenly, just after increasement, it will come like this. If I'll increase more, then angle of incidence will increase. If angle of incidence will increase, then angle of reflection will also increase, now students. So the ray, after increasing, the ray will come in this direction or the ray will go in this direction. The ray will not come in this direction. Because if the ray will come in this direction, then angle of incidence reflection is going to decrease. But it will not happen. At first, it will come to the extreme case, then it will go on away. It will go in this direction. So the angle of incidence will keep on increasing. Next, write a question. Example. What is the critical angle for a ray? What is the critical angle for a ray? What is the critical angle for a ray going from glass to water? For a ray going from glass to water. Refractive index of glass, mu glass is equal to 1.62. Refractive index of water is equal to 1.32. Find the value of critical angle. How to do? Means we already know sin C, critical angle is equal to mu rarer by mu denser. Mu rare, what is here? Water 1.32. Mu glass,
Agya.
mu denser, which one? Glass, that is 1.62. So that is by dividing that one, I will get it 0.8148. That is sin C. So C is equal to how much? Sin inverse of 0.8148.
Eight, 4, 8.
That is
Sir,
0.88 means
glass.
88 means sin C is equal to 54 degree point. 54, near about 54 degree. The critical angle of incidence, the critical angle of incidence, the critical angle of incidence in a glass slab, immersed in air, immersed in air is 30 degree. What is the critical angle? What will be the critical angle when it is immersed in a medium, when it is immersed, when it is immersed in a medium of refractive index √2, of refractive index √2. Okay. Critical angle of incidence in a glass slab immersed in air is 30 degree. तो पहले हम critical angle कौन जान चाहिए? Sin C is equal to mu air by mu glass. ओके ना? तो sin C टा कितना देखिए? Sin 30 degree is equal to mu air by mu glass. Sin theta कितना? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to mu air by mu glass. Mu glass टा कितना बाहर निकला पहले? 2. And refractive index of air कितना? 1. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ medium ରେ କି glass slab କୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ medium ରେ glass slab କୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ପहले √2 ବଡ ନା 2 ବଡ ଦେଖିଲେ ଟିକେ 2 ବଡ ନା √2 ବଡ?
2 बड़ा
2 ବଡ
पहले ताहले सेम medium ରେ ଦେଖିଲେ ताहले sin 45 is equal to କେତେ ହେଇଗଲା? sin i by sin r सेम हुए sin i
ଆଜ୍ଞା
माने केते sin 45 sin 90 टा 1 ହେଇଗଲା तो sin 45 is equal to केते mu rarer by mu denser सब हम करछन mu rarer किए
ଆଜ୍ଞା
mu g टा mu rarer
√2
हबो ना mu medium टा mu rarer हबो
ଆଜ୍ଞା
तो डेफिनेटली केते नेबी √2 by 2 that is mu rarer by mu
ଆଜ୍ଞା
denser last tensor ଅଛି ତାহଲେ mu rarer ଟା କେତେ ନେବି √2 ବାହାरला हमर क्वेश्चन is mu
by 2
mu glass mu rarer
2
की होछ हमर अदर मीडियम टा अछि अदर मीडियम रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स √2 देछि से क्वेश्चन रे हो के ना डिवाइडेड बाय
आगे
mu tensor टा कोन mu glass रे केते बार 2 बार कर then that is 1 by √2 sin 45 is equal to 1 by √2 sorry এটা sin theta মতে জনা নথলা সেকেন্ড কেস রে
आगे सर थीटा
sin theta মতে বাহার করে তো mu r by mu 2 that is √2 by √2 mu r ला कोन rarer जो मीडियम में रखले that is refractive index √2 आर मीडियम refractive index 2 बाहर जाई छै ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में 2 ऑलरेडी बाहर जाई छै यदि 2 t बाहर जाई छै तो √2 by 2 1 by √2 sin रो को एंगल टा 1 by √2 sin 45 sin 45 is equal to 1 by √2 तो theta is equal to केते होगा theta से क्रिटिकल एंगल केते होगा सेकंड केस में 45 डिग्री